Hi guys, so we move on to the next part, and that is going to be area of a triangle. And we'll first understand the different formulae for area of triangle. We'll solve a few questions, and then we'll see the indirect applications of the area of triangle. So let's start. We see the formulae for the area of triangle. We have triangle ABC for reference, just for reference. The very basic formula we know that is related to the height. Here I have drawn a perpendicular AD on the side BC here, and this AD is called as the height. So the very basic formula for the area of triangle will be half into base into height. Okay, we have been discussing this since a very long time, and that's exactly what we have as the area of triangle. It's half into base into height. Okay, derivation इसके लिए basically it's pure logic. Okay, what you can do is you can reconstruct this into a form of a parallelogram, or you can just take it as um, a rectangle. Okay, and integrate it. Okay, अपने scope में नहीं है, just take it as such, half into base into height. If guys I have a right angle triangle, okay guys, for right angle triangle, okay, there is no base and no height, right? There'll be only perpendicular sides because you can just turn the diagram around, right? So for right angle triangle, we have only perpendicular sides, and the area will be half into product of perpendicular sides. Okay. The next formula again you might have seen in school, root of s minus a, s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. It is basically the semi perimeter s. Okay, square root of semi perimeter s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That is the area of the triangle. Okay. Next formula is the product of sides divided by 4r. So if you have a triangle, if you know its sides, multiply the three sides and divide by 4 times r. R is the circumradius. Okay. And the next one is the in radius multiplied by semi perimeter. All right. So you take the in radius small r multiplied by the semi perimeter s. जो हमने ऊपर देखा है a plus b plus c upon 2. Multiply them, you can basically find out the area of the triangle. Okay. Now, guys, if I tell you this is a right angle triangle, okay, the 3, 4, 5 triplet, for example. Okay. For the 3, 4, 5 triplet, guys, area क्या होगा? Half into product of perpendicular sides are 3 and 4, right? So the area comes out to be 3 to the 6. Okay, guys, can we calculate semi perimeter? Of course, we can. The perimeter will be 3 plus 4 plus 5, 12 divided by 2. The semi perimeter will be equal to 6. Okay, and we found the area is 6. So we can say that area is equal to in radius into semi perimeter. Area 6 है, in radius find करना है. Semi perimeter भी वापस 6 है, in radius is equal to 1. Right? And remember when we discussed Pythagorean triplets, I told you we can calculate the in radii values. This is how we do it. Okay, we take any triplet, let's say it's 3, 4, 5 for example, अभी हमने लिया है. उसका हमने एरिया फाइंड किया, हमने सेमी पेरीमीटर फाइंड किया, यू कैन कैलकुलेट द इन रेडियस. सो फॉर 6, 8, 10 अगेन इट्स ट्वाइस, हर साइड ट्वाइस हो जाएगा, राइट? सो इन रेडियस विल बी इक्वल टू 2, right? So on and so forth, you can observe that. Okay, and guys, the last formula which we will discuss in trigonometry is basically half into product of the adjacent sides into sine of the angle in between them. So for example, if you will do this, don't worry, in trigonometry we'll discuss this. So if you have a triangle having sides a and b, adjacent sides, and theta is the angle in between them, so the area will be given by half into ab into sine theta. Okay, don't worry, we'll discuss this in detail when we study trigonometry. Basically ये अपना half into base into height इस formula से ही आता है. Okay, it's derived from same formula, half into base into height. Okay, let's solve a few basic questions of area of triangle based on this. So find the area of triangle ABC if all lengths in units. First question, AB is 11, BC is 60, and AC is 61, right? अब बहुत लोग क्या करते हैं यहाँ पे, वो रूट ऑफ एस, एस माइनस ए, एस माइनस बी वाला फॉर्मूला, हेरॉन्स फॉर्मूला जिसको हम कहते हैं, वो अप्लाई करते हैं. बट गाइस रिमेंबर 11, 60 and 61 is basically a Pythagorean triplet. That means this angle will be 90 degrees. Directly apply half into base into height. So half into 11 into 60, 2 cancel, 30 into 11 is 330, right? So it's 330 units square. Okay, next, AB is 5 root 3. AC is 8 units and altitude BD is 6. Altitude BD मतलब height BD दिया हुआ है 6, base दिया हुआ है 8. Just apply half into base into height. Half into 8 into 6 is 6. 6 8 is 48 upon 2, 24. Okay, so second question का answer is 24 square units. It's as simple as that. Next one, AB is 26, BC is 28 and AC is 30. अब ये Pythagorean triplets भी नहीं है, ये तो normal values है, right? So we have to use square root of s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c, where s is the semi perimeter. Okay, so we add these three numbers, guys. 26 and 28 is 54 plus 30 is 84, divided by 2 is 48. तो हमें area निकालना है, guys. Area क्या होगा? square root of s minus a. So 42 minus 26 is 16. 42 minus 28 is 14. 42 minus 30 is 12. Okay. अब guys पहले आप 16 में से basically 4 बाहर ले लो. Root 16 is nothing but 4. Okay. अब अंदर you have 6 into 7 42, right guys? You also have 2 into 7 14, right? तो 7 7 भी बाहर ले लो square root sign के, right? Then you have 6 to the 12 or 12 12 भी बाहर ले लो. So the required area is 12 7 84, 84 4 4 4 16 32 33 336. So for this one, the answer is 336 centimeters unit square in this case. Okay, guys, let's go on to the next question. It is given that AB is equal to AC equals to 20 units. So it is an isosceles triangle. And the median is given as 16, right? We know that, guys, for an isosceles triangle, the median is also the perpendicular bisector. So, guys, you can apply triplets here. देखो 20 क्या होगा? 5 into 4. 16 क्या होता है, guys? 4 into 4, right? So definitely this side is how much? 3 into 4, 12, right? So I'll just redraw the sides here. Okay, ये 20 है, ये भी 20 है. The altitude is 16, and this side we figured out is 12, right? तो ये भी by symmetry कितना हो जाएगा? 12. This complete side is equal 24. So your area is again half into base 24 into height 16. Okay, काट दो इसको. 12 16, the answer is 192. As simple as that, right? Let's go on to the next question, guys. AB plus BC plus AC is 12 and in radius is 2. So, guys, the sum of the three sides is given. Divided by 2, you will get the semi-perimeter, okay, which is 12 upon 2 equal to 6. We know that the area is in radius into semi-perimeter. 6 into 12, the required area is 12 units square. As simple as that. Next one. AB is equal to AC equals 20, BC equals 24, and circumradius is 12.5. Okay, multiply the three sides. Okay, product of the sides divide by 4 times the circumradius is the required area, right? So 4 times 12.5 will be 50. 5 5 0 0 cancel. 5 4s are 4 2s are 8. 8 times 24. Again, the answer is 192 units square. Let's go on to the last one, guys. AB is given as 10 units. BC is given as 10 root 3. And sine of angle ABC. So angle ABC is 60 degrees. So the area will be half into the product of these two sides, guys. 10 into 10 root 3. So half into 10 root 3 multiplied by sine 60. Half AB sine theta, right? So sine 60, if you know, if you do not know, koi baat nahi. Even if you like know, it's root 3 by 2. फिर उसके बाद 2 2 यहाँ पे cancel हो जाएगा. 2 2 यहाँ पे भी cancel हो जाएगा. 3 into 3 will give you root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. 3 times 25 is 75. So here the answer is 75 units square, right? So that's how you can calculate the area of the triangle using these different formulae.